looks cool. Head to the fence. Let's go. Look at the duck and bee. Do you like the farm and the farm animals? I love the farm. I love farm animals. Cows and bees. Chicken and ducklings. What farm animals can do and what farm animals can't do? Can they run? Can they fly? Can they swim? Let's see! Cows can't fly. No, they can't. Cows can run. Yes, they can. Bees can fly. Bees can produce honey. Bees can't swim. Chickens can't swim. Chickens can produce eggs. Chickens can't fly. Chickens can't swim. Ducklings can swim. Ducklings can produce eggs. Ducklings can't fly. And you? What can you do? Can you swim? Can you run? Can you jump? Can you fly? Bye-bye! See you soon! Love you guys! Whee! Let's go! Whoa, my legs are like springs! My arms are stretching like crazy!